Now that you've watched Jerry's game, let's focus on creating a theme. The theme begins by figuring out what the topics are. So, the topics in Jerry's game include getting old, winning a game, playing by yourself, finding joy in the things that you do, and loneliness. All of these issues were brought up throughout the short, and they were repeated as we watched the text. You can support them by finding moments where Jerry was behaving like an old man, or when he won the game, or playing by himself where we saw him move from one side to the other. All of these are evidence in the text itself. The lessons that we learned come in no particular order. It's not always easy being alone, so we see him trying to play this game with no partner. Having fun is the most important part of life. I think it was definitely clear that Jerry had fun doing what he was doing. It can be lonely getting old, so as he sat by himself and he didn't have a partner, that can definitely be something that is lonely. And do what you have to do to win the game. I think the moment of the heart attack was definitely a moment where we figured out that Jerry was going to win the game against himself. So I combined several aspects of these topics in this lesson to create my own thesis. I focused on getting old and having fun. So my thesis was aging isn't always easy, but it can still be fun. And that was me combining topic number 1 with lesson number 2. Now it's your turn. We're going to watch Partly Cloudy, which is another Picture short, and then you're going to create a theme.